Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to wrap the tip on short nails, and I'm going to share with you how easy it is to do so. And I do get few comments about it, so I was like, why not just film a video now that my nails are short? But anyways, you're gonna start it by painting your nails as you usually would, and I do have a video on how to perfectly paint short nails, so I will have that in the description box below so you guys can watch it out after you're done with this video in case you need something like that. But anyways, you're gonna wrap the tip just like you would, and that's basically it. There is nothing too much about it, and I want you to not worry about messing up your skin because that's just not so important, and I'm going to share with you why it's not important. Just you will see it in the video. You just go underneath your nail no matter how your nail is short, and you're just gonna go with your nail brush over it. I do this all the time whenever my nails are short or long, and then I top it up with some top coat, and I make sure that all the coats that I'm applying are wrapping the tip. That way it's protected. And now that I said that I want you guys to not worry about messing up, just like you would clean around your nail, you're gonna do it underneath your nail and just clean it up with some little brush. It can be any brush, really. And that's basically it. Voila! I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I will leave in the description box other useful videos for you, or you can check out my channel. There's so many videos there, and I will talk with you in the comments below. Bye!